Our dreams lie beyond our imagination. From steel to energy, Kisco is beginning its new challenge. It's 14th century England. What are these people doing? This is the site where alchemy was witnessed, which at the time was the most intriguing topic. Turn stone into gold? As you know, alchemy is the act of increasing the value of objects. Then, was alchemy a failure or a success? In the 21st century, the era of advanced technologies, alchemy still takes place. The passion and dedication of alchemists in the past has evolved to a company's insight for discovering new technologies and values. Now, let's learn what insight means. Simply put, insight refers to an outstanding perspective that promotes the evolution of civilization and the bold execution that turns these perspectives into reality. Kisco has been focusing on steel products for over 50 years, and what is considered to be Kisco's insight. Let's take a journey to discover the changes and evolution created by Kisco's insight. This painting by Kim Hong-do, a prominent artist during the Joseon dynasty, is called The Forge. The characters in this painting are holding hot metal with a clamp, placing it on an anvil and hitting it with steel hammers. The process of hitting and pressing hot metal to create a desired shape is forging. Products created by forging have stronger and denser crystals. Forging makes steel stronger, and forged products are the primary products of Kisco.
철강 산업에서의 흥망성쇠는 투자를 어떻게 하느냐가 결정한다고 하겠습니다. 태양광 산업의 진출도 그렇고 과거 환영철강 인수에서도 이러한 경쟁력은 드러났습니다. 그리고 이번에 단조 공장을 선도적으로 건설하고 시장에 진출하는 것도 그러한 예라고 할 수 있겠습니다.
Over the past 50 years, deformed bars have been the primary product line of Kisco. With high-tech automated systems that handle steel making, hot rolling, cutting, and packaging, and by developing the world's first 4-pair slitter technology, Kisco has been leading the deformed bars technology in Korea. From ordinary deformed bars for general construction and high-strength deformed bars used in nuclear power plants, to ultra-low temperature deformed bars used in underground LNG storage tanks, Kisco has been upholding its leadership in the industry by manufacturing 1.2 million tons of steel a year using its outstanding steel production know-how. Having discovered the hidden values of the deformed bars market and written a new history, Kisco is now expanding from deformed bars to forged steel products based on its timely decision-making and driving force to take part in the growing new market.
아주 밝은 편입니다. 그 이유는 기존 단조 설비와 인력을 통해서 이미 시장에서 검증을 받았고 이번에 일괄 공정 설비를 구축함으로써 낮은 원가로 고부가가치 제품을 생산할 수 있게 되었습니다. 이에 따라 성장성은 더욱 가속화될 것으로 보고 있습니다.
Kisco was established in 1957, and it began the production of nuclear power plant deformed bars for the first time in Korea in 1983. By completing the 2,500-ton press in its forging plant in 1991, and completing Korea's first 120-ton DC electric arc furnace and hot rolling facilities in 1993, it has secured its leadership in the Korean steel industry. In 2008, it led the forging market by completing the 70-ton electric arc furnace and the 10,000-ton press. With the completion of the Jungpyeong solar cell and module plant in March 2008, Kisco has spread its wings for reaching greater heights. The new forging plant is equipped with electric arc furnaces and ladle refining furnaces for producing 70 tons of melted steel in one heat. In the plant, there are vacuum degassing facilities, which are essential for manufacturing high-quality, impurity-free steel, and vacuum ingot casting and open-air bottom-pouring ingot casting facilities for producing 200 tons of ingot, which is the raw material of forged products. Furthermore, it is equipped with a heating furnace for heating ingot at an even temperature. 10,000-ton pull-down type press for creating specific shapes customers demand. Various cutting facilities for cutting forged products to customer specifications. And a high-tech heat treatment furnace that optimizes the characteristics of products to customers' various demands. And the outstanding quality certification system that controls every part of the production process results in being the world's most advanced and optimal production system with state-of-the-art facilities. Today, Kisco is manufacturing various large, high-quality forged steel products that are used for shipbuilding and wind power generation and mold steel as well as industrial machineries. Kisco has secured distinguished forging capabilities with insightful perspective and investment toward the market. Kisco has completed its new growth engine. What's next? How about the new changes it will bring to the forging market? If all the hot sunlight can be converted into energy, Korea will become an energy powerhouse. Due to the recent increase in oil prices and global warming, energy has become the most urgent issue global-wide. Solar power generation, which uses the light from the sun, is gaining the spotlight as a source of infinite clean energy. Over the past 10 years, the global solar power generation module market has shown rapid growth of 40% a year. Once again, in a market that was practically a barren land to Korea, we can discover Kisco's insight that no one else has ever imagined. Today, the new and renewable energy market has become the new green ocean powered by the government's eco-friendly green growth policy. Having recognized the importance of alternative energy as an energy-consuming company, Kisco sees the infinite growth potential of solar power generation with its insightful perspective toward the future. And it begins its bold expansion into the energy market. In January 2006, Kisco established an energy R&D center and launched its research on solar cells in collaboration with KAIST, which boasts Korea's leading technological know-how.
광막 실리콘 태양전지 분야에 투자를 결정한 한국철강의 선택은 탁월했다고 보여집니다. 왜냐하면 기존의 결정질 실리콘 태양전지의 가격이 상승하는 시기였고, 또한 광막형 실리콘 원료의 공급 측면이나 대량 생산의 측면에서 유리하여 시장이 급성장할 것으로 예측되었기 때문입니다.
There was more skepticism than assurance in the beginning. But thanks to Kisco's dedication and passion, it is no longer just a steel company. And in March 2008, Kisco constructed the solar cell and module plant in Jungpyeong, Chungbu. Just 3 years since the research first began, Kisco has successfully developed Korea's first amorphous silicon thin-film solar cell and module and has begun mass production. Kisco's amorphous silicon solar modules have lower production costs and higher power generation efficiency, which creates a cost advantage in mass production and is considered the next generation model that will resolve the high prices of conventional module. Other leading nations such as Germany and Japan have developed amorphous silicon solar cells. Kisco is the first company to enter the field in Korea. By successfully developing and manufacturing high-quality products, Kisco is competing shoulder to shoulder with leading nations of the world and has taken a leading position in Korea's solar cell industry. Kisco's solar module, Get What, is gaining the industry's spotlight. It is Korea's first thin-film photovoltaic module to acquire new and renewable energy facility certification from the Korea Energy Management Corporation. And it is gaining recognition of outstanding quality and reliability by acquiring TUV certification from Europe and UL certification from the United States.
카이스트에서 오랫동안 연구해온 태양전지 기술을 디스플레이 기술에 접목함으로써 한국철강에서 대한민국 최초로 광막 실리콘 태양전지를 양산했습니다. 따라서 실험실 수준에 머물던 기술을 실생활에서 쉽게 적용할 수 있게 상용화함으로써 대량 양산의 길을 열었다는 데 의의가 큽니다.
그리고 무엇보다도 발전 효율이 좋습니다. 그래서 일반적인 태양전지 모듈과 같은 그 효율 저하 없이 저희가 한국철강 모듈을 이용해서 계획된 발전량을 현재까지도 잘 유지를 하고 있습니다.
Kisco Get What, which was developed by Korean Technologies, has reduced the thickness of silicon wafers to 1% of crystalline silicon solar cells, which dramatically reduces raw material cost and production costs. Furthermore, it can be applied to wide glass panel deposition at a relatively low temperature. It can also be applied in BIPV, which are installed on building roofs or outer walls to acquire electricity. If it is made into a semi-transparent module using laser patterning, it can be used as a window. If the existing solar cells were referred to as closed blinds, Kisco's new solar cells should be considered open blinds. Kisco is focusing its technology on making solar cells thinner, more transparent, and more efficient, so that they can be used in every part of our daily lives. Can you see me well? In addition to its relentless R&D, Kisco is preparing substantial investments, including the construction of another solar cell plant right next to the Jungpyeong plant. The solar energy business was once thought to be impossible by everyone. But with its insightful thinking and bold execution towards energy, Kisco has overcome the technological gap to become a world-leading company in just 3 years. The world has set its spotlight on Kisco's progress. The future where you can get energy anywhere simply by using the infinite power of sunlight. It's clear that the future of our dreams isn't far away. Two different paths with unpredictable results. We are always facing difficult choices. Which path will you choose? As you can see, Kisco's answer to this question has always been simple. A new path without any footprints is the way of Kisco. Presenting a greater future by discovering new values in steel and energy. Kisco. Where will their endless change and progress take us?